In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PDF document in Canva with a shareable link that points to a Google Drive folder. So this can be useful if you have an Etsy store, for instance, that sells digital products that are over the 100 megabytes size limit of Etsy. So here in Canva you can see I've got a digital backdrops template. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy this template, make a copy, and then I'll open this copy here. Then I'm going to go to Google Drive to create a new folder for my new digital backdrops. So here I'm going to create a folder. So once I've created my folder, I will right click, go to share, hit share options, and I'm going to make sure that this is set to anyone with link. Hit the copy link, then done. Head back to Canva. Now I'm going to create a text box within my template, and to move this up here into position, rename this to click here. Okay, click off of that, click on the link again. On your keyboard, click Control and K, paste your link from Google Drive, and then hit done. And you can see that that's now made this a shareable link. It's useful to change the text color to blue, and this is now ready for download. So in the top right of Canva, hit share, click download, change the file type to PDF standard, and then hit download.